Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to explain you one of my option trade which I took a couple of weeks back. Stock name was IDFC and I had taken a puts. The reason I went short for this is because of a specific setup which I'm going to explain you in the chart. So before that, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're new, and also let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. So basically, I have invested around 2 lakh 92,000 in this trade and I made a profit of around 2,12,000, so roughly around 70 to 75% ROI in just a week. Let me just explain you in detail about what happened. Hello guys, so this is the IDFC daily chart. I'm going to show you where exactly I went short. You will know the reason behind this trade. It's a very simple trade. This is the exact candle, okay? This green candle that you see, this is where I went short. Now when you look at the chart, you may be a little confused as to why I went short instead of long, because when I posted this on Instagram story, few were replying to me that Rajan, you went short but I went long in the same place, so what was the difference? So I'm going to show you. So this looks like a support area, right? But why did it break this and fall down? So the catch here is that, so this is the trend line, okay, and also there is another trend line which is this one. So basically this important trend line has been broken. What most people are doing is that they're drawing like this, which is wrong. Here you have to connect all the as people tell that how do you just make money using trend line? Why are you not using any other thing? It's just that it's not trend line. It's just understanding the price action as a whole, understanding the psychology, okay? You have to be able to adjust based what are we doing when we are connecting the trend line? What we are doing is just trying to make sense of the psychology of the market or the specific stock, okay? So here what I feel here is that this line has been, I feel this trend line makes more sense than this trend line, okay? So because there has been a lot of supports, and the another main reason I went short is because of this huge red candle, okay? This red candle tells me that, okay, there's going to be a sell-off, because if you look at the wick, it's quite huge. It has also broken this important trend line. So the next day when I went short, I mean this candle, it was very ideal because my stop loss could be anything above that. My stop loss was below above this area, okay? This 126.50 was my stop loss, and basically I went short here, and the next day it went up a little bit and then it fell. I could have closed here, but I did not close. I just waited for some more time because I knew there is a little steam left. So, and I was just waiting. On this day I was in loss. So basically I entered here, I was in profit. The next day a very good profit, around maybe 1 or 1.5 lakhs, I'm not sure. Then the next day it was a green candle, which was loss day. I was in loss around 50,000 or 75,000 maybe, and then it fell, okay? When it fell hard. So this is the reason I went for this. I was expecting this kind of a move. I just exited here, guys. I just exited right here. I did not hold until this candle, because whenever it comes to shorting, you shouldn't be holding like your long trade. Long trade is different, short trade is different. When you're shorting a stock, you shouldn't be holding a lot. I mean, you shouldn't be holding for a long time, because they are short-lived, okay? And that's the difference. You have to change your style accordingly, and you shouldn't be like, Rajan holds the trade for 3 months, let me hold this short for 3 months too. No, you'll go broke if you do that. When it comes to shorting, you have to be very careful and you have to close it very soon, and also you have to find the balance in risk reward, okay? You also have to hold, but it shouldn't be too long. So there is a lot of things, especially when you're shorting in options. It's very, very tricky. Option again is very dangerous for new beginners who's starting out in stock market. I wouldn't suggest you. I would still advise you to trade and swing. You do swing trading for at least 1 year or 2 years or even more. Understand the psychology, understand the price action in detail, and then you can give it a try. So if you want to be a part of my course, feel free to join. The website is justfortraders.in. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And also there is a new video coming up, and by the end of February or the start of March, as promised, I will be coming up with my 1 year profit and verified PNL. I'm just waiting for one trade to close, guys, to be honest. Yeah, so once I close that trade, hopefully, let's see, I will be coming up with that, okay? Because I'll explain you in detail why. I don't want to talk about it now. Just give it a month or so, and we should be good, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.